The Jesko is our brand new car. It's the replacement for the Agera RS, which, by the way, set numerous speed records, including fastest car in the world. So this is the successor to the Agera RS, and we've made a lot of changes to the car. We've tried to evolve and improve the design, and we've done that by a couple of main areas. One, we've given it more power. Two, it's got a brand new gearbox. Three, we've also made the car a little bit wider and longer and taller, so we can have a bit more space inside. And we've also given the car a lot more aerodynamic grip, so it's got bigger wings. This car actually produces just under 2,000 pounds of downforce at 155 miles an hour, so it's it's nearly double what the old car did. So we have two variants of this car, so we're going to build 125 of these cars, and one is the one that you see here, which is the ring version. Then we also have another version, which we haven't shown yet. We're going to show it a bit later on in the year, and that's called the 300. Now, customers can choose when they spec their car which variant they want, so they don't have to choose now. They'll choose after they see the 300. But the 300 is called the 300 because it's going to be the first car to do 300 miles an hour. So the transmission is, first of all, 9 speeds. And it also has 7 clutches. And a traditional gearbox has got 2 shafts. And you normally have, for a 9-speed gearbox, you'd normally have 9 sets of gears. So 9 pairs of gears, so 18 gears in total. So we wanted a 9-speed gearbox, but there's no gearbox that we could find that could take the torque that this engine produces. So we had to design our own gearbox. So the car's fully active, first of all. The aerodynamics are fully active, which means we can the car can decide how much downforce it wants to generate. So we can have, if you're for example going fast in a straight line, you don't need all that downforce. So then the wings go into low downforce mode, and if you're going around a corner at high speed, then also you want maximum downforce, and then the wings will change angle. We also have active aero on the front axle. You can't actually see it here, but it's in front of the rear wheels. We have flaps that move up and down. They're just inside there. We also have a Venturi in the front bonnet, which creates a lot of downforce. And as we're able to create a lot of downforce in the front, we can balance that with a lot of downforce on the back. We're sold out for a number of years now, so the Jesko has been a tremendous success. We're really happy with it, and we've got a great bunch of customers and some great partners as well, dealers all around the world. They've been extremely supportive, and we're just blessed, and we're really happy with we're sold out, so couldn't ask for more, really.